Welcome to an in-depth exploration of diverse energy healing modalities, Reiki, Qigong, and more, an essential part of empowering transformation, mastering the art of energy healing, and energy psychology. This session delves into various energy healing techniques, revealing their unique histories, methodologies, and contributions to the field of energy psychology. Reiki, the art of universal energy healing. We begin our exploration with Reiki, a Japanese healing technique developed in the early 20th century by Mikao Usui. Rooted in the concept of channeling universal life energy, Reiki, this practice involves the practitioner placing their hands on or near the client's body, intending to promote healing and balance. Clinical studies have shown Reiki's effectiveness in reducing stress and promoting relaxation. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine reported significant reductions in stress and anxiety among participants receiving Reiki treatments. Qigong, ancient Chinese energy practice. Next, we delve into Qigong, a traditional Chinese meditative practice that combines movement, breathing, and mental focus to manipulate and balance the flow of Qi energy in the body. Qigong's roots can be traced back thousands of years and are a cornerstone of traditional Chinese medicine. Recent research, including a 2018 study published in Frontiers in Psychology, has highlighted Qigong's benefits in reducing symptoms of depression and improving overall physical health. Acupuncture and acupressure, meridian-based therapies. Acupuncture and acupressure, based on the meridian system, are also discussed. These practices involve stimulating specific points along the body's energy pathways to balance qi flow. Acupuncture, which uses thin needles, and acupressure, which uses manual pressure, have been effectively used to treat various conditions, including chronic pain and migraines. The World Health Organization recognizes acupuncture as effective for over 100 symptoms and diseases. Yoga, integrating body, mind, and energy. We also cover yoga, an ancient Indian practice that integrates physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation. Beyond its physical benefits, yoga is increasingly recognized for its mental health benefits, including reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression, as evidenced in a comprehensive review published in the International Journal of Yoga. Pranic healing, energy cleansing and balancing. Pranic healing, originating from the Philippines, focuses on cleansing and energizing the body's energy field or aura. It involves techniques to remove negative energy and replace it with fresh prana, energy. Studies have shown its effectiveness in enhancing psychological well-being and even in complementing medical treatments. Integrating energy modalities into therapeutic practice. In addition to these modalities, we discuss how energy healing techniques can be integrated into traditional therapeutic settings. Practitioners of energy psychology often tailor these techniques to individual client needs, creating a holistic approach to treatment that addresses both mental and physical aspects of health. The session concludes by considering the future trajectory of energy healing within holistic healthcare. With an increasing body of research supporting these practices, we anticipate a growing acceptance and integration of energy healing techniques into mainstream healthcare practices. This comprehensive session provides you with a rich understanding of various energy healing modalities and their place within energy psychology. By exploring the depths of these practices, you gain insights into their unique benefits and applications, enhancing your toolkit for personal health and professional practice. Let's continue to explore and integrate these ancient yet ever-relevant healing arts into our journey toward holistic health and well-being.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.